Lilith in Gemini. This is not just mental anxiety, but the memory of the soul. A memory of incarnations where words, curiosity, and ideas led to misunderstanding, judgment, or rejection. It's the trauma of being heard but not understood, of speaking truths no one wanted to hear, or of being too quick, too multifaceted in a world that valued simplicity. It may be a recollection of a moment when your questions were silenced, or your thirst for knowledge led to isolation. You wanted to connect but were left alone, with a soul full of ideas but no response. Lilith in Gemini, a wounded memory of the freedom of thought. Once, you chose silence to be accepted. But the soul remembers the craving for communication, the play of words, the flight of ideas. And now, in this life, you stand at a crossroads again, a whirlwind of thoughts in your mind, caution in your voice. Because the body remembers, speaking everything you think is dangerous. But Lilith does not destroy if you engage with her. She brings you back to your truth if you listen to her whisper. The house where Lilith resides is the sphere of wounding and strength. It's where you feel an inner conflict, the desire to share, speak, explore, and the fear of being misunderstood or judged. This area hides a suppressed need for self-expression, shame for curiosity, or fear of being too much. It's the part of life where the soul carries the karmic experience of wounded communication, and simultaneously it holds the path to your lightness, clarity, and intellectual freedom. Manifestations of Lilith's wound in Gemini. Fear of speaking up or being misunderstood. Suppression of curiosity, playfulness, or spontaneity. Shame for your questions or for wanting to know too much. Inner restlessness or mental overload, avoidance of communication or staying superficial to avoid revealing yourself. But behind all this lies immense potential. Lilith is not a curse, but a door, and beyond that door, lightness, eloquence, and the ability to connect ideas and people. To pass through, you must not silence your voice, but let it resonate in harmony with your inner rhythm. The key to Lilith lies in Mercury. Mercury, the ruler of Gemini, is Lilith's activator. It shows how and where you need to learn to express your thoughts, ask questions, and share ideas. Its placement in the chart points to the area where you can reclaim your mental freedom, while Mercury's aspects reveal how easily you allow yourself to be curious and where this conflicts with inner barriers. Lilith's aspects show through which archetypes or parts of your personality, her wound and her gift manifest. Harmonious aspects make Lilith's strength accessible, allowing words to flow freely. Tense aspects expose conflict, but it is precisely there that deep transformation begins, through honesty with yourself and others. The path to wholeness with Lilith in Gemini is light, airy, and playful. Speak, write, talk, ask questions, even if they seem silly. Play with ideas, try new things, learn, experiment. Breathe, use breathing practices to calm mental noise. Seek those who hear you, people with whom you can be alive and authentic. Allow yourself to be not only smart, but also light, witty, and multifaceted. Lilith in Gemini asks not for perfection, but for authenticity. You can be deep and light, serious and playful. Courage is not the absence of doubt. It's speaking despite it. Lilith in Gemini is not a punishment. It's an initiation. It's the moment when you open your mouth, even if your voice trembles, and say, "Now I choose my voice, not for approval, for life."